Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining T-Mobile fiber internet plans, including pricing, speeds, and which plan gives the best value in 2026. So if you are thinking about switching to the fiber internet or just want to understand the different plan options, make sure that you watch this video till the very end. So the T-Mobile fiber is a high-speed home internet service that uses fiber optic cables. Fiber technology is known for delivering extremely fast and stable internet connections. One big advantage of the fiber is symmetrical speeds, which means your upload and the download speeds are very similar. This is great for the things like video calls, uploading the files, streaming, and gaming. Now, T-Mobile fiber usually offer a few main plan based on the speed. So as you can see over here, the first option is of 500 Mbps plan. This plan is designed for the smaller households or the light internet use. It is going to cost you $55 every single month. To know more about the features and the benefits, you can click on this drop down menu and take a look at them. Like in this particular plan, you will get unlimited data, Wi-Fi router included, installation is also included, and exclusive perks with T-Mobile Tuesdays. Then the next plan is of 1 gig plan, which is going to provide the speed up to 1000 Mbps. This is one of their most popular plans because it can easily handle multiple devices at the same time. Large families, the gamers, and the people working from home often prefer this particular plan. Now they have another plan which is their fastest plan, and this is going to offer the 2000 Mbps speed. This plan is designed for very heavy internet users, content creators, or the homes with many connected devices. Another benefit of T-Mobile fiber is that many plans include unlimited data and the Wi-Fi equipment, so that you usually don't have to worry about the data limits or the extra charges. However, the biggest limitation right now is its availability. Fiber internet requires specific or special infrastructure, so that it only available in the certain cities and the neighborhoods where the fiber network has already been installed. So when it comes to the best value, I think this fiber 1 gig plan is often the best option for most of the households because it provides very fast speeds without the higher cost of the multi-gig plans. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.